Bush and the United States stop playing the policeman of the world. We don't need you to police our wrongs. And we don't need you to implement our laws because we are a sovereign people and we are going to assert our will.
Ng mamamayan, pero ano ang ginagawa ninyong pagtatanggol ng sambayanang Pilipino? Ano nga ba ang dapat niyong gawin? Dapat ang sambayanang lumalaban at mabibigaya, maunawaan nyo na bilang mga Pilipino sa huling sandali, matatalo kayo.
So this is just the beginning, this is not the end. We will not stop unless the US troops is out in the Philippines.
Mga kasama, pinalo yata ako nung sa pulis doon.